So here is the test run. I've hooked up my cable that I cut from my Jaguar. It's Calyx out plug with Calyx sign on it. So I hooked it up directly to the heater I have over there. For now, my ground comes over here, and I hear there's like something is like buzzing inside, and it's getting hot, and it feels like the little motor in there is just making the coolant circulate, and it's getting nice and toasty. This is pretty cool. So, oh no, this is not gonna get hot. What about the bottom one? No, this is for air as well, but it's getting warm, which is pretty cool. So it's been like just about 15 minutes, and I feel the pipe's getting hotter and hotter. So I believe the test could be considered a success. And the next step would be to install the whole thing properly, and it probably will be coming out from there, the outlet, and yeah, this is great. But instructions include some blower that's supposed to be heating up the cabin, I think, but we don't have any of that. But what do we have? So heater itself is not coming along with it. So what's in the box? So here's European wire. I didn't find any North American ones, so that's why I used my Jaguar thing, but it's exactly matching this guy. It has these indents here, so be sure you order the proper one, or you can just simply, if you're okay doing that, I would do that. If I didn't have my Jaguar one, I would cut this one and put the proper North American plug in here and use this wire. Doesn't matter. So the whole magic happens on the heater itself, so it doesn't matter what kind of like voltage you're gonna be sending down this one. So here's the box, and there were some installation parts. So you either screw this thing onto the socket. This has like thread in here, and here is like when you cut the hole in your bumper or anywhere where you are going to be installing this is going to just slide in, and here is going to be your power outlet with a flip cover. Or if you don't want to mess with this one, you're just simply using this nut. It has thread on it as well. Just bolt it in from inside of your bumper to hold it in place. This thing is just to keep the wire in place, some zip ties, some little screws and stuff, and here's the drawing of the hole you need to cut in your bumper or anywhere you're going to be installing this guy. This indent matches this little guy over here, so once it's there, you just simply snap it in, and it should be doing what it's supposed to do. So pretty straightforward. Just make sure it's not rubbing against anything, your wire, I mean, and it should be good. So that's making it 120 Canadian instead of 600 that I was quoted at the Landrover dealership. So Calyx is the actual manufacturer of these heaters, and like Thanks to Gemini, I used it to investigate. I was actually going to do it myself, the wiring and everything properly. I was looking for gauges to use proper connections and proper wiring, but Gemini told me yes, you can do that, but also make sure, like, bear in mind that the Calyx is actual manufacturer and you can get it like for as cheap as $100 US. So I did that, and I'm very happy with the result. I'll keep you posted on that. Hopefully it helps anyone. I'll also leave the link for the product I bought it for. It was actually for Volkswagen, but I don't really care. I was caring about the cables themselves. So yeah.